Welcome to This Week. This week we're looking at language, which follows directly from our exploration of thinking. Language is a very important skill that enables us to communicate with others, but also to know ourselves. How many of you have learned something new about what you think, feel or enjoy by listening to what you've actually said aloud? Indeed, the power of language as a form of expression, a way to connect and a means for gaining insight, is at the centre of counselling, being the talking cure. In the reading this week, you will focus more on the different elements of language and how arbitrary symbols and sounds have come to be so meaningful to us. You will learn about syntax, which are the rules for organising words and phrases. Language can also be non-verbal, so this is covered too. In fact, you might be surprised as to how much you were influenced by non-verbal communication, especially through the more implicit processes, such as were covered in the thinking topic. The reading this week also includes information about the development of language. As with many areas of psychology, there is a consideration as to the degree to which language is innate, something we are born with, and the role of the environment. Researchers such as Chomsky have argued that humans are born with an innate understanding of grammar and the way language should be constructed. This is linked to neurological structures that help babies identify language-related stimuli and acquire language. There is also a discussion of whether there is a critical period for language development. Critical period is a term used in developmental psychology to indicate that there are some ages at which people are especially sensitive to the acquisition of certain skills, and if these aren't developed by this time, the skill may never be fully achieved. The argument for a critical period of language development has significant implications for those that may have abnormal environments that prevent the usual opportunities to hear and express language. Other evidence for the critical period hypothesis comes from findings in the acquisition of second languages. Finally, there is an interesting discussion on whether language is distinctly human or whether other species can exhibit this capability also. Enjoy the material for this week. And also remember to complete the test and work on your second assignment. Thank you.